Hello and welcome to our new vocabulary lesson, Unit 2, Part 2. Luddington's Ride. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to define the synonyms and the antonyms in the context. So let's start with the first word, abandon, and abandon is a verb, and these are the synonyms. Of course, I do not say that you should choose one or two synonyms. You should memorize, do your best of all the synonyms and all the antonyms of all the words. So abandon is a verb, and the synonyms are desert, seize, forsake, and surrender. Abandon means to give up completely on something, to leave without any intention to go back. Okay, abandon is it is a verb, but what are the antonyms? The opposites are continue, stay, remain, and occupy. Please memorize all of them. Try your best. Assault. We have the word as a noun and as a verb, but here the synonyms, the first two are the nouns, invasion and raid. Invasion and raid, nouns. What about the verb? Also, you have some other words in the book. The verbs are besiege and storm. Besiege and storm. What is the meaning of assault as a noun? It means a violent attack. So yes, the synonym could be invasion and raid, and when it is a verb, the meaning means it means to attack violently or suddenly. So the synonyms are besiege and storm. So what about the antonyms? We have antonyms only for the verb assault, which means to attack violently. So the antonyms are resist, defend, and protect. Resist, defend, protect. Convert, which is when it is a noun, and convert when it is a verb. So if we're talking about the verb, we have synonyms and antonyms for the verb, of course, not for the noun. For the verb, the meaning is to change from one form to another. So what are some synonyms? To transform, turn, alter, and switch. Transform, turn, alter, and switch. So what about the antonyms? Convert as a verb has three antonyms only: maintain, converse, and remain. Maintain, converse, remain. Convert means to change, so the opposite is to stay the same, to remain the same, to maintain the same state. Dispute, verb, dispute as a noun. So we have some synonyms for both of them. For the verb, we have, we start with the noun. Start with the noun. With the noun, we have conflict, disagreement, and controversy. You have it in your book, and also the synonyms for the verb: differ, disagree, contest, and challenge. Okay, so dispute. What is the meaning of dispute? Dispute means to argue, debate, quarrel over, to question or doubt something, and to disagree about something. And the noun means an argument or a quarrel over something. Okay, so let's look at dispute as the antonyms of dispute. We said that it could be a noun and a verb. So when it is a noun, these antonyms are agreement. Dispute means a disagreement. So when we look at the opposite, the first thing we're going to find agreement, and understanding. These are the nouns. And also if we look at the verbs, we find agree and harmonize. Harmonize means to agree, be in harmony with something, in the flow of something. Impressive, which is an adjective. Okay, impressive means having a strong effect or commanding attention. Impressive means having a strong effect. So the synonyms are memorable, striking, thrilling, stirring, awesome, and splendid. What about the antonyms of impressive? Let's see. Impressive as an adjective means having a strong effect. So the antonyms are inferior and mediocre. Inferior and mediocre. Justify, which is a verb, means to show or be fair or right, or give good reasons for. So the synonyms are to defend, to explain, support, or excuse. Defend, explain, support, and excuse. Justify as a verb, the antonyms are convict, blame, and accuse. Only three. Convict, blame, and accuse. Misleading, which is an adjective. The meaning is tending to give a wrong idea. Misleading means to cheat. So the synonyms are deceptive, means a cheat, false, tricky, inaccurate. Inaccurate means not very true, wrong. Okay. The antonyms of misleading are direct, honest, true, accurate, straightforward. Also, straightforward is very important. Numerous. Numerous is an adjective and it means many or very many. And the synonyms are several, plenty, plentiful. These are not new for you. Let's look now at the antonym. The antonym is few. Productive, which is an adjective, means making or capable of making large amounts of, giving good results. Productive means giving good results and it's an adjective. The synonyms are energetic, effective, fruitful, efficient, and worthwhile. All these means someone who's giving, who has high energy, who is so productive, who's giving results, efficient, effective, fruitful of something also. The antonyms of productive, very easy one, unproductive. Yes, idle means lazy, idle, not working. Useless and inactive. Idle, inactive, the same meaning. Useless, unproductive. Yes, the same shade of meaning. Shrewd. Shrewd is an adjective and it means showing clever judgment and practical understanding. So the synonyms are artful, wise, sharp, crafty, wily, and cunning. Wily and cunning means to be clever or smart in a deceptive way. And the antonyms are slow, stupid, dull-witted, not very clever. Strategy is a noun and it means a carefully made plan or plot or a plan of military operations So it only has 4 synonyms. Wow, it's a nice word. Approach, design, method, and scheme. Villain, which is the last word for today. is a noun, and it means an evil or wicked person or character, especially in a story or play. And we have the synonyms of villain include scoundrel, rascal, outlaw, and criminal. Of course, villain means a wicked person. So we have here also outlaw, and criminal means somebody who does or who did a crime. Villain. The antonyms of villain are hero, heroine, and champion. Hero for the male, for a boy, heroine for a girl, and champion for any. Thanks a lot. If you have any questions, please post them in the discussion room. Thanks and see you.